Let's look at the concept of logarithms with bases like this. So we have the first one is we have log 16 in this base 2. So the first one a, we have log 16 having a base 2. Now when you do this, you equate this to an x. Any alphabet if you like, you can use y or k, any alphabet. Preferably I decided to use x. So, and this 2 is going to raise the power of this x. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of x equals this 16. Now the next thing you will do is this. Change this 16 to base 2. Change this 16 to base 2, meaning that how many times will you raise 2 or multiply 2 to get 16? How many times will you multiply 2 to get 16? Let's try it. 2 times 2 times 2, for example. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 2 raised to the power of x equals, how many times did I multiply 2 to get 16? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 2 raised to the power of 4. So these 2 will cancel this. When you have two numbers equating each other, you can cancel them out. So you have x equals 4. So this is the answer to this question. Now, let's move to B. We have log 32 in base 4. I said equate it to x. So 4 raised to the power of x. 4 raised to the power of x equals 32. Now I have, is there any times? Can I multiply 4 particular number of times to get 32? If you check it, it will not be possible because 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 will not give you 32. It's around 64. So that will be wrong. So that means I have to change this 4 to a particular base so that I can have the same base. I change 4 to base 2. Okay, so I can have 2 raised to the power. How many times will I multiply 2 to get 4? Is 2 times. Because 2 times 2 is 4. So don't forget there's x already that was as the power of this 4. Equal to, I can multiply 2. How many times you get 32? 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 34. So 1, 2, 3, 32 rather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 2 raised to the power of 5 here for me to be able to get 32. So this 2 cancels this 2. What I have is 2x equals 2 times x. 2x equals 5. I'm looking for x, divide both sides by 2. This cancels this. I have x equals 2 into this is 2 whole number 1 over 2. This is what you have for this. Now, let's go to the last one. You have C. I have log 4 root 2 in this base. Don't forget, equate it to x. This 2 is going to raise the power of x. 2 raised to the power of x equals 4 root 2. And don't forget, this is 2x equals, this is the same thing as 4 times root 2. And don't forget that this is 2x is also the same thing as 4 times root 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of half. Because that's the meaning of square root. 2 raised to the power of half. 2 raised to the power of half, that's square root of 2. So I want to change this to the same base. So I will have to change this 4 to base 2. So I have 2 raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of a half. And don't forget in indices that, if you remember in indices, when you are multiplying the same numbers, what you do to the powers is that you add the powers in the one of the laws of indices. 2, 2, 2, 2, they are the same, having different powers. So I add the powers. So I have 2 raised to the power of x equals, I'll pick one of the 2. So I'm going to add the powers, 2 plus half. If you say 2 plus a half, I'm going to have, put this one over 1. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 2 divide this 2, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So I have 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 is what you have. But before then, let's resolve this. You have the same. So this cancel this, this cancel this. So what you have left here is x equals 2 plus 1 over 2. So x equals, we have added this. This is what I did. Put this over 1. Look for the LCM of 1 and 2. Don't forget, when adding or subtracting fractions, always find the LCM of the denominators. in terms of this. So we had this, and then we have 5 over 2. So x equals, don't forget we said the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. We also said, so this plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So when you plus this, you have 5 over the LCM. So we have 2 into 5 is 2 times, remember, 1 over 2. This is the answer to this question. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. In case of any question, you send them to us. And don't forget that understanding connects us to the world.